Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Zainab Bora and I have with me Dr. Divya Drishti who has cleared her DNB theory exam and I think will soon clear her practical as well. So many congratulations. Tell
Thank you.
us about yourself. How has your residency been like and how did you manage to study amidst all of this?
So I'm from Jammu actually, ma'am. I have done my UG from GMC Jammu. So I'm one of few who have taken the DNB in Delhi as a radiology because most of the people there don't know about actually DNB.
Yeah,
So somehow I was very nervous taking this, but
yeah,
my seniors said that if you are average or above average, you can take the DNB. So I took Holy Family Hospital here in Delhi.
nice.
So my 3 years residency was very good. My
Hmm.
consultants were very friendly with me and they taught us like friends. And then the greater opportunity was your app, which made it a successful attempt.
Amazing, very nice. So I have a lot of students who keep asking about Holy Family, as an option. So in retrospect, you think it was the right decision because I'm pretty sure you would be getting MD in a lot of other good colleges as well. So at that point of time, if you go back 3 years ago, what helped you decide, whether you want to go for this DNB in a good hospital versus MD in a little more peripheral college? And in hindsight, what can you say?
So in periphery, actually, I know that in my GMC Jammu, it was there was no academics in PG.
Hmm.
But somehow I called my seniors here. They said that we have some consultants who are experienced about 40 years in radiology, and he's
Yeah.
very much interested in teaching us.
Hmm.
So we asked him silly question in our residency and answered just and shared his experience that make a lot of difference with us.
Yes. Amazing. So basically,
Hmm.
you chose academics over, MD. So that's great. So if we can,
Yes.
go through how were your duties like, and how much time were you able to get to really sit and study during your residency?
So we were around 5 to 6 resident every year. The take up of DNB seat is around two.
Hmm.
So we have weekly one nights or monthly 5 to 6 nights.
Yeah.
And all the scans were done by us,
Hmm.
ultrasounds. We also report the provisional CT reports and MRI in our hospital. And tomorrow, next morning, it is checked by the consultant. So we get
Yeah.
a viewpoint from them, what we missed
Hmm.
and what we have to add. And
Right.
they also view our ultrasound images and what
Hmm.
we have to improve. They give us inputs every day. So that was
Nice.
actually a good point doing the
Yeah.
DNB that our reports are checked.
That's very nice, actually, because you get feedback on each of the cases. So that's why, you can really go back and next time you implement it. So I think that's a great practice because not in many hospitals this is there where you get a clear feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's a great bonus. So if we talk about how you used conceptual radiology as an app to prepare for the exam, so if we get down, to the specific preparation, how did you go?
Hmm. So in first year, I didn't know about the app, so I struggled a lot. I started with physics, and even it took one whole year doing the physics, and I didn't completed it. I even don't remember what I have read.
Yeah.
So in the second year, in the end, I got to know about the app, and I then subscribed. So what I learned in this is that if I know the topic, which is very vast, है ना, but you have concised in a such a way that it becomes a story which is beautifully remembered. And I watched the video not one time, two time, even though I know the content, but I enjoy learning it. So I watched many time and multiple times again and again.
Amazing.
So I relied solely on your videos actually.
Amazing. I'm that's so glad.
Yeah.
Did physics get better?
Yes, Nikita ma'am taught it. Said
Yeah.
I my highest score was in physics. I am
Oh my
surprised actually.
God. Yeah, because not
Huh.
many people, like I remember struggling through physics and I wished, that
Me too.
somebody would just sit and teach me like a child, you know.
Yes.
So yeah, that's what you need for
Yeah.
physics. So yeah, that's amazing.
Mm.
How was
In,
your, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, go
yes,
ahead.
ma'am. Like talking about it, we want to know about the topic like
Yeah.
temporal bone, है ना? We don't know that how much depth we have to go into the residency because it has a exceptionally we have to go into more deep if we want to go. But
Yeah.
you made the things so precise that we know we have to know this much in temporal bone, not about go about more than this. Actually,
Amazing.
that was excellent.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And it's like a gist. If I have to make a class, I would just make a capsule out of it. There is no end to learning radiology, right? We can go
Hmm.
more
Yes, ma'am.
in depths, but as a resident, what all do you really need to know? And then you keep adding layers. So adding layers is easy. This is the core that you should all know. So that's what is always the intent. Amazing. So how was your practical exam?
So my OSCE was bit good. I actually revised your spotters thrice and
Amazing.
twice, and also I watched all the case discussion videos, all the FRCR modules.
Yeah.
So my long cases were actually covered in those, and
Great.
also the OSCE more than 70 to 80% are covered in CR. One and two are exception; they go out of box for all of us,
Yeah.
but almost all the practical things are covered in CR. I'm very really relaxed when the things come out and I am able to see that I have learned this in CR. ये तो जैनब मैम ने पढ़ाया है.
Wow, that's great. It's actually a big vote of confidence क्योंकि समझ नहीं आता, because this is
Yes.
so vast. You cannot ever complete the content. But yeah, I'm just glad that
Hmm.
it's helped you clear the exam. So yeah, very happy for you, Divya, and thank you so much for talking to me.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you. You are the best teacher
Thank
I have got. Thank you.
thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye, dear.